Hello, welcome to this video. So today in this video, I will clear about and I will tell about that how you can create free.io premium accounts for free. So with you can create the unlimited accounts as you want because we are not doing any spam. We are not doing an illegal work with this one. This is the 100% legal and authentic method for you. Okay, so let's get started. Before getting started, you need to know about the me. I'm the Suhail Said, the owner of the paid content by Suhail Said community, and you need to must join the community where you will get many things for free. Okay, so how you can join? Just type lms.people.com and portal. Okay, so this is our portal here. By clicking on this one, you can join our WhatsApp community easily, and then you will join our other platform. Must join the Telegram channel where you get the backup and everything. Okay, so you can explore the spaces, you can explore the courses, you can explore everything here. Okay, so I'm going to close this one. Here I want to show you my here you can see very plan here, and let me okay, here is very plan. Okay, so I will make it a light plan. Okay, team space. Okay, here you can see this is a fire plan. If I open this thing, so in the workspace, here's the light plan. So how I do it, let me tell you. Okay, so open a new account, and click on the sign up. I'm going to sign up here with my official account. Okay, and can sign up with the Google. I'm going with the Google. You can choose the temp email. Okay, but I'm going with the Google, and click on this one and click on the continue. You can give the services of this one, and you can easily sell it in the responsible price. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one and click on the continue. And now here you can select your image or something. So this is the team. Here's the workspace name. Here's the emails. I will go with continue and personal. You just select anything that you want. I'm going with some randoms selections. So let me do any. Okay, click on the continue, and yes, opt me on. Okay, now you can select the Elite, and you can select the GoPro. So let's try on the GoPro. Is there a GoPro available? You can see there's a $24, there's a $49. Okay, so here is a coupon code, skill leap. This is a coupon code. Apply it here. Now you can see this is the monthly. Monthly is the zero now. Okay, if I remove this code from here, and you can see there's a $49. If I apply this one, so $49 is a cancel. Now it's the $0 here. Okay, now click on select this one monthly. We are going to select this one. Okay, now there's a three ways to pay. Here is a card, here is the PayPal. So I'm going with my card. I'm choosing any card. You can choose your end card. So I'm choosing a card where I will select. So just give me a while to check my card number and card details. So I need to pause here. Okay, I have watched my card number. So I'm not removing it from here. I need to hide this card number. So what I will do, I will not do any editing on this one. Okay, I'm going with this one. Okay, just use it. If you want to use it, use it. No worry, I will not do anything. I will not say anything. Okay, so here's you can read the pro plans. You can read anything that you want, and now we are going to subscribe the pro version. So where you will get this card, I will available this card for you, maybe on the portal or something. So I will tell you in the community, in the WhatsApp community. Okay, so if I open the v.io, so man, see here, workspace setting, you can check. there's a pro plan. The pro plan is activated now for a month and is official. I have not done any illegal things. It's the official thing. Okay, so you can create the unlimited accounts with this method. Okay, if you need any help, so you can do the comments or something, you can DM me on the WhatsApp, so I will help you in every matter. Okay, if you like this video, so hit the like button and must subscribe the channel.